Okay, these compact tractors are so strong in the hydraulic section that you can pick up this front tire with the whole weight of the front on it. Derek speed exposure, and today I'm going to show you how to do a lot of back scraping. I'm going to try to get real pretty and flat right here. And first off, I'm going to show you what not to do when you're back scraping, and I'll show you the angle that you don't want to go for. Okay, you don't want to back scrape with it like this, because it extends your hydraulics out, and the farther you have your hydraulics out, the easier it is to crack it or damage it. And yeah, that's not going to be good later on down the road. And by the way, your loader only has like a year of warranty on it, so you want to be very careful with it so it doesn't crack later. And I'll show you what I mean. See how close the hydraulics are in here? Makes it a whole lot tougher, and you won't have any problems. Now I'd say the max safe back scrape would be probably something like this. I wouldn't go too much farther than that, but if you want to, you can risk it. What this other YouTuber says, risk it for the biscuit. I like that saying. Alrighty, well, let's start back scraping. When you push like this, you don't want to put too much pressure down on your hydraulics in this direction, but it still pushes the rocks pretty good, where you get a pretty good pile, and then you can you know, you can back scrape it again, and yeah, it just helps you a little bit here and there. And look how flat this is, and that's just by pushing it forwards after I back scraped it. And you have this much extra gravels that you can use somewhere else if you wanted to. And yeah, it's pretty flat. Yeah, these are my favorite tractors because they're lightweight, don't mess your yard up, work on your driveway, you can move snow. Does anything that a bigger tractor does, it's just smaller horsepower and it takes longer. That's the only thing you gotta look at. And now if you want some speed and some tore up grass and stuff like that, but you have a lot of land, like more than, I just have 2 acres here, then I would probably get a bigger tractor. And you can actually buy a small grass baler for this thing. It actually looks pretty cool. I've looked it up. They're about $8,000. Yeah, I got these, got all these gravels for a different plan. This ain't actually for the driveway. It's for something else. If you have anything you want to see, just put down in the comments and I'll jump on the tractor and try it out. Just put down in the comments what you want to see. I was going to show you this real quick. In one of my previous videos, I think it was one of the wood stacking or using a wood cutter, I was out here talking and I flattened this with the tractor, and it used to be nothing but dirt where I scraped it all, made it all flat and stuff, put this patio in, and yeah, finally got some grass grown. I was going to show you. I'll go down here. I still got to get a few big rocks out, and then it should be good. Just needs a little bit more grass, but all this used to be dirt right here. The tractor did pretty good without a box blade. Don't have one of those yet. I did this the other day when I got the tractor back. Yeah. It has really good soil back here.